KIZILELMA PT-4 successfully completed the aerodynamic system identification test with afterburner takeoff. KIZILELMA, an unmanned combat aircraft developed by Baykar. PT-4, the fourth prototype. In this test, they examined the aircraft's aerodynamic behavior, airflow, stability, during takeoff using the afterburner, a mode that burns extra fuel for additional thrust. Everything went smoothly, and the test was successfully completed. The real uproar will break out when the twin-engine version, called KIZILELMA C, hits the field.